This is part 2 of my village living as an Amazon KDP online worker. I will be showing you some of the things that we do from here in the village. And so this is a simple structure of a cow shed, and this is the feeding area, and inside we have 3 cows, 2 are bulls, and the one which is lying there, that is a heifer, which we got just this year because the other one which we were milking got complications, and now we are bringing up that one, and we are hoping by the end of this year it's going to be pregnant so that it can start producing milk for us. It's really doing well. For the bulls, we are going to do away with them very soon, by the end of the year, because we can't raise a milk producing cow with its calves together with those bulls. They're just there for now temporarily. Then up there you can see that is the chicken house. We use the stairs to climb. Yes, that is the chicken house. We make sure that we're using good use of the space that we do have. So don't feel limited to start cow farming just because maybe you don't have enough capital. Just start with what you have, create a simple structure, and it will be good to go. And bulls are very profitable. Yes, bulls are very profitable if you rear them, and then after 1 year or 2 or 1.5 years you just sell them. They are very profitable. Yes, so up there we have chickens which are laying eggs. Yeah, so that's it. And now these are our arrowroots, not for selling, just for consuming. Then here we do have we have planted a few cabbages, sukuma wikis there, or the kale spinach, and we have some few maize there. They're not for selling, they're just for consumption. You can see plucking a few of the vegetables, the kales, though these ones are a bit old, but we've planted a few ones there. Then those are there. We have the yams there. I believe you've seen them, those ones. These are the yams, yes, and they are grown. Then here we have some few onions. We've not weeded for them, but yeah, we are going to weed for them. So these are spring onions to add to the meal. Yes, we are going to weed. We're going to weed for them very soon. So I don't know how you feel about village living. I know we cannot all fit in the village, but yeah, everyone has their own preferences. But what I love here is just getting everything direct from the shamba. These are also some other types of greens. I don't know how you call them in your local language, but here we eat them with ugali. You can cook them with mokimo also. Yeah, they're also and I also hear that they're herbs. They can be used as herbs. That's our coffee plantation. They are 2 years old. We have some other greens here. Yes, these are very common in Kenya. They are known as terere, pigweed. Yes, in sense we call them pigweed, but they are consumables. The terere, you can see we've planted them near where the cow dung is coming out. They do very well there. Yes, also that cow dung, we use it as manure in our shamba. So these are just some tereres which I'm plucking. It's on a morning. Just get them direct from the shamba. Yes, and they're very healthy. So let me know in the comment section whether you've ever lived in the village or you are living there, or one day you'd like to live in the village, or you'd like to have a shamba somewhere, maybe where you'd be planting your items. So this is on a morning. I'm picking these greens. Also, this is another type of a terere. I want to just go and prepare some ugali in the morning. I like eating in the morning. So after eating in the morning, I know it will be good to take me throughout the day. Yes, we have just a few maize there. Then now here is where we do plant our napier grass, which is used for the cows. Then here we have the the pumpkins, and the leaves are also consumable. You can use them with mukimo, you can use them with ugali, and we have a very ready big pumpkin here which we'll be harvesting very soon. We had covered them because there was a time the sun used to be very hot, and we just thought it's wise to cover them. And that's another one there, and we have many more. They are not only two. It has, by the grace of God, it has produced a lot of pumpkins there. Then here we have some other types of tereres, bado, the greens, the ones you can see there. So that's just our village life. That is the tea plantation I had shown you the other day. Just our calm environment. Not much here. Let me know if you desire to live in the village, or if you are living there, or if you have ever lived there. Yes, there they are. We harvested them finally, and here is our coffee plantation. 2 years now. Last year was our first time to harvest, and we are waiting for the money this year. Yes, yeah, coffee also has money when they pay it as well.